Hi, it's Todd here, and today we are looking at this, the 14th century Effigy dagger. 9.5 inch, 24 centimetre blade. Lovely piece. But I call it the Effigy dagger because from about 1360, 1370, you begin to see a lot of daggers like this on the belts of both brasses and of effigies. And it's the early days of the Rondel dagger. It's the beginning of it all. So what you've got is a rondel disc at the bottom here. In this case, it's sort of flower petal shaped. We'll come to that in a moment. Then a more regular grip with more regular pommel. So the rest of it here is more like a conventional quillen dagger. You wouldn't think that that was out of place if it had a sort of a bow tie guard at this period. Wooden grip here, which is fluted, and it's got 6 flutes on it to match the 6 lobes of the guard. And then of course you've got the pommel as well, all in bronze. You've got a stout, because it is a rondel, it is an arm piercing dagger, you've got a stout double-edged blade. So this is a martial knife. This is for fighting, it's for knights. It's for, well, you know, really well-to-do men at arms. It is not peasantry, it is not low grade, and it is not civilian. But it is a lovely piece. And then also it comes with a naturally tanned leather sheath, single layer on this one, which is unusual for me, but it's because of the construction method, because it has a cup at the top, which again is very fashionable for rondel daggers of this period. And then a simply constructed Latin brass shape here with a heart cut out. Again, hearts are all about symbolism of fidelity and honesty and trust and courtly love. It's not an effeminate symbol in the modern sense. And then, as ever, hung on cords. I hope you like it.